Hello friends and family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been gone, it's been about a month, but it's because I moved from Arizona to California, so I'm officially a California girl again. For those of you that don't know, I used to live in California during my childhood. I moved when I was a teenager to Arizona, but I'm back in California, so I'm gonna do a Fab Fit Fun unboxing for summer. I've had this package just sitting in my closet for, I want to say 2 months. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with Fab Fit Fun for summer. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Eva Longoria is on the cover for summer. She's so pretty. Another HelloFresh. I've tried HelloFresh before. It's not my cup of tea. I feel like there's way better. I honestly feel like if you go to the grocery store and buy your own groceries, it's more cheaper, I would say. Because yeah, this does get a little pricey without a coupon. I like their recipes and everything they stand for. It's even a good idea, if you do HelloFresh, you keep the recipes for in the future if you want to make it on your own without them having to mail the ingredients. So, I mean, give it a shot, but it's not one of my favorites. You get another pamphlet from Fab Fit Fun. Oh, so this is it'll give you $10 off the box, if I give this code to somebody. First item in the box, it's a hydrating rose facial mist. I love rose facial mists. They're so refreshing. In fact, I'm gonna try it on right now. My fiance is watching me film and I feel a little nervous. He's the man behind the camera. Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. I'm gonna spray myself. I wonder if it really does smell like rose. Oh, wow, you guys, it smells really good. Exactly like rose, so it's really good and it's hydrating. Perfect for summer. Spray yourself, girl. The next item in the box, it says it's a mystery choice. With a question mark. It's, the packaging from Fab Fit Fun. So I am not one of those people that go and choose what they want in their box. I like being surprised. It's like Christmas time. But so I guess this was a mystery choice pick. And this is the Australian certified toxic-free cellular renewal. This is a very long sentence. This is for, oh, okay. It is a hand cream, vanilla orange peel. So this is the back of it. This is the front of it. I'm gonna try this out. Grown Alchemist. Let's see how this smells. It smells like one of those orange cream popsicles. Oh, it's really nice. I appreciate a good hand cream. This is very, very moisturizing. It smells really good. The scent is light. It's not overpowering how, honestly, the rose spray, this is a little overpowering with the scent, but I like it. I like the scent of rose, but this one is very nice and light, and it does feel really hydrating, so I like this a lot. You guys, I got a piece of jewelry. I love jewelry. I hope it's something dainty. I'm gonna feel around it. Look, honey. So this is called Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. Oh, okay. It looks like it's a choker. I'm all about the stars lately. I like stars as an accessory. Let me open this up. I really like dainty jewelry. I don't like bold statement necklaces. I think there's, they're pretty, but I just don't like them for me. This is really cute. Wanting a star choker. This is so cute. My hands are all slippery from the lotion. This is definitely the type of jewelry that I like. It says that it may tarnish, especially when there's contact with water, sweat, lotions, and perfume. That it's not a real gold jewelry piece. There's a lot of items today. I feel like I see that in every box, but I feel like this box has a lot of items. Okay, next one. Wish, and it's a coconut milk and verbena exfoliating foot mask. I'm gonna try this when I take a bubble bath. This looks really nice. I'm gonna smell it. Yeah, I can smell the coconut milk. Nice. I'll try it on my face like Regina George. Foot cream instead of facial cream, and she puts it on her face.
We gave you foot cream instead of face wash.
Next item in the box is a lip balm, Dr. Rogers Restore. I have lip gloss on right now, but maybe I could wipe it off and try it. It heals chapped lips, and burns, severe dry skin, post-procedure care, beauty oh, it's just a regular ointment. It's not specifically for your lips, but you can use it anywhere on your body. I'm gonna try it out. Take a little bit. Ah, it's like spilling out. Help. It has really simple ingredients. So it has castor, seed oil, glycerin. It's really, really simple. I like this. This is by Spiritual Gangsta. Looks like it's another robe, but let's find out what it is. Cover up. Ooh, it's a kimono. This is really pretty. This is definitely my style. I don't think it fits me. And I'm usually a size large. It like barely fits me, but you can wear it as a kimono, right? Wait, how are you supposed to tie this? I know how to tie this. Could throw this over a tank top. I thought it was a robe at first, but yeah, it's a kimono, like one of those kimonos to lounge around your house or something. So this is really nice. I like it. It has good stitching. The fabric is really airy and light. I like it. Yeah. The next item in the box are these hair ties. I've never used these hair ties, the ones that look like a keychain wrist band. So let me go ahead and try it out. I've always been afraid that this is gonna like knot my hair. And it gives a little volume to your ponytail, look at that. Yeah. Oh. How many came in there? There's 6 in the box, 3 clear ones and 2 like a beigey color. Okay, ow, 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 ow. I mean, don't pull it off your hair because you're gonna rip your hair if you do, but. Next item in the box is this Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. It's supposed to refine your skin texture, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. I've been suffering from a terrible breakout lately, right on my chin and my jaw. I think it's stress related, maybe because of the move, maybe because I just started a new job, like everything kind of piled up, but I'm trying to clear my skin, so hopefully this helps me. I feel like Fab Fit Fun always gives like some sort of mask and I don't end up using it, but I told myself that I'm going to try out every single product that I buy or that I own just so I can get through all those products and maybe find something that really sticks. So I'm trying to be really good about skincare and actually having a routine down and actually using up my full products. Last item in the box is this really lovely beach bag. Summer and Rose. I can use this as a gym bag. It has a nice little clip right there, magnetized clip. Good size. It has another pocket in here. Usually canvas bags don't have additional pockets. Very, very nice. What do you guys think about the pattern? It's a nice canvas tote. So really quickly, the Spiritual Gangsta kimono retails for $60. The Summer and Rose navy tote retails for $50. The star necklace that I fell in love with, that made the box for me, and that one retails for $50. The Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm retails for $30. The hair ties, the invisible hair ties for your ponytail, those retail for $16. Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Masks retails for $39. Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray retails for $25.95. And then last but not least, the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask retails for $32. I want to say what really made the box for me for this season was the rose spray and the necklace. Anyways, friends and family, thank you again for watching. It means so much to me that you would take the time out of your day to hear me talk and blabber on. So thank you so much. I'll be posting out new videos soon. Now that I'm settled into my new place and things are starting to like, you know, calm down, I'm gonna try to get onto like a recording schedule. But yeah, thank you so much. I love you guys and I'll see you next video.